everyone. We are on the Disney Destiny 7574. This is a category 4 stateroom. And this one sleeps 4. It's a nice size veranda. We're in Fort Lauderdale. It's Hercules themed. Split bathroom. Dark in there right now. It's a super nice size room.